Good morning, guys. So we gotta do some pine straw here. We have 100 bales pine straw, and that's what we are. We are trimming the shrubs also. Estamos tremiendo compas y poner hoja de pino. Todo acá. Right here on the back. And by the on the back outside. Oh, that has to be trimmed. We're gonna clean that out and then put the new fresh pine straw all the way around me. Oh yeah, it's gonna look nice once we get done, man. Ya terminamos. We are done, man. Look at that. Looking really nice, man. Looks good. Oh yeah. All the way. Oh yeah. We almost need a little more in here, but anyway, that's all. This is 100 bales, man. 100 bales of pine straw. $12 o'clock. We start around 9. Shrubs look good. Nice. Oh yeah. Beautiful, man. I like it. We just got the Echo blower. They having a 50% off right now. This Friday right now. I think today is the last day. I just went and got it. So now we got 2 blowers. We get the job done faster. Oh yeah. We gotta go do one more. Another 70 bales. We'll be done. Alright. This is the second job. We got 70 bales in here. But I got 5 extra. Este es el segundo jale. This is a new customer too. I think we got plenty enough. Yep. Oh yeah, it's gonna look nice once we get done, man. And this is the last one. It's 1:50, 1 o'clock, 1:50, almost 2 o'clock. We'll be done probably in about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Alright. Alright guys, we are done, man. We are done. 2:40. The guys are done. 75 bales. I bought 5 extra and they took all 75. And they're up there now, blowing. They all have each a blower. Oh yeah, looking good, man. That's all for today. Almost 2 o'clock. I mean 2:40, excuse me. Almost 3. Well, we're getting off early today. 3 o'clock. We are done. It's Friday. It's time to go home. We had 2 echoes back there. The little one, that's his, and the other one is mine back there somewhere. That's the BR 800.